In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background image in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the designer and how to swap in the right image with confidence. First, head to your Webflow account and open your list of sites. From there, go to your dashboard so you can see your projects. Find the project you want to edit and open it in the Webflow designer. This takes you straight into the canvas where you can make visual changes. On the canvas, click the section, div, or component whose background you want to change. With that element selected, look to the right-hand side for the Style panel. In the Backgrounds area, you'll see the control labeled Image and Gradient. Click it to reveal the background settings for the selected element. You'll notice a highlighted background layer. That highlight shows which layer is currently active. Click the highlighted area to make sure it's selected, then click Choose Image. This opens the asset library. You can pick an image you've already uploaded, or upload a new one if you have it ready. As soon as you select the image, Webflow applies it to the element so you can preview the result right on the canvas. If your element uses multiple background layers, or if there are several places in the design that share this style, you may see additional highlighted thumbnails. Click the highlight to switch to the layer you want to update. Then click Choose Image again to swap that one too. Repeat this pattern. Click the highlighted layer, choose Image, confirm, until each background you intend to change shows the right artwork. You might do this a few times depending on how the class or combo classes are set up, and that's totally normal. As you choose images, you'll see options like position, tiling, and size, cover, contain, and so on. These settings control how your background fits within the element. You can leave them as is if the default looks good, or note what they do so you can fine-tune later. A quick tip: use well-compressed, appropriately sized images to keep your site fast and crisp. Backgrounds don't use alt text, so thoughtful file names and sensible dimensions are especially helpful. Keep an eye on the canvas after each selection to make sure the change looks right. When you're done, that's it. The background image is updated. Webflow saves as you go, so you can continue designing or come back later knowing your changes